Here today we have Loctite 620, another great product. We're using this product primarily on ensuring that small components stay in place in high stress conditions.
Loctite 620, an anaerobic retaining compound to bond bushes and sleeves into housings. And Patrick shows us where it is used on the Heuer Porsche Formula E car.
We use it here to bond in the bushes in the uprights and in the wishbones, but I cannot show you the application because it's done in our pre-assembly workshop at home, but especially at the races we can rely on the stability of these parts.